Hello and welcome back to another video of UiPath RPA. In this video, we are going to see how can we use UiPath Gen AI activities. So UiPath has come up with own Gen AI set of activities. And in this video, we are going to see how can we enable those activities and how can we use those activities in UiPath Studio. So as the first step to use UiPath Gen AI activities, I will just start my UiPath Studio and create a new project for this example. All right, so create a process. I will select my target folder where I want to save this project. And let's create this project. I have not changed the name. You can change the name as per your convenience. Okay, so now you can see that UiPath Studio has launched and we are in the main workflow of UiPath Studio. So now what we have to do is that we have to first enable the UiPath activity. So first of all, you have to see that your UiPath Studio should be connected with UiPath Orchestrator. So it is connected and you can see here. Now I will just log into the orchestrator or my UiPath Cloud Workspace. So to connect UiPath integration services or to get UiPath Gen AI activities from UiPath integrated services, we have to go to integrated services here in orchestrator. Click here. And I am working right now. Which workspace? Default workspace. Okay, so in here orchestrator, my workspace, and here I have to see that do I have any connection? No, right now I don't have any connection. So I can come here in connectors, search for UiPath Gen AI activities. So you can see UiPath Gen AI activity packages available here. And just click on this and connect to UiPath Gen AI activities. All right. So once this connection is created, it will be available in your workspace also. So now so you can see this connection is created, right? And it is connected also. Now next thing is that we have to go to your UiPath Studio and we have to get the package. So how to get UiPath Gen AI activities package? Come in all packages, type UiPath integration services. Okay, so when you will type UiPath dot integration services, you will get UiPath. You will be able to see this package, right? Integration services activities. Just click on this and install this package so that we can use UiPath Gen AI services and UiPath Gen AI capabilities. Okay, so I will just open main workflow and let's try to perform a sample workflow, and then let's see if we have UiPath Gen AI activities available or not. So Gen AI, just type it. So you will see all of these. These are the modules which you can see: image classification, detect language, image comparison, name. All these are there. So right now we just want to use content creation package of UiPath Gen AI. So it is creating the required services. We just have to wait for a few seconds. And it has completely expanded now. So we have to identify that which Gen AI model we want to use. So I will be going with this. For prompt, let's create a variable. my prompt, simple variable I am creating. Okay, and then we can just pass this variable in the prompt, my prompt, and this is system prompt. This is a default prompt, so you don't have to do anything, just leave it like that. PII detection is used for personal information identification. So we want to keep it false. We want to take all the information that is coming right now. Okay, and then what we can do is we have to store the output of this prompt. So you can see and you will understand mask test, content generation, and there are multiple. So right now I just want to use this first one and the default one. CG means content generation model. Okay, and I will just write this output here. Fine. So let's pass anything into this prompt variable. Address of UiPath office in. Okay, so let's try if it is able to type UiPath office address in Bangalore. Fine, just save it and run it. Let's see. So you can see this is the response here that UiPath office is on this address. All right, so this is the entire prompt. You can add more filtration and other data processing steps to get the test of your choice. So these are the other UiPath Gen AI models: image comparison, signature comparison, language detection, reform, categorization, translate, image analysis, summarize the text, and many more. If you want, you can explore more about these all modules. Hope you like this small and crisp video about UiPath Gen AI capabilities. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you like the content of this video. Subscribe to the channel for more videos on UiPath Gen AI and Python. See you in the next video.